ready for a set in 3, 2, 1.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you came into my eyes, I feel like I'm on.
We're entering now, guys. Have a nice day. Oh, thank you. Okay guys, nandito na po tayo sa loob. So, ito na yung Motiongate, guys. Motiongate, Dubai Park and Resort. May mga ambition. Actually, feel ko maganda dito pag night time. Pag night time na siya maganda. So guys, malawak ang pupuntahan natin. Hindi pa to. Nasa entrance pa lang tayo, guys. Uh-oh. So, saan tayo mag-i-start? Hollywood Theater, Lionsgate, saan tayo? So, ganito siya. Let's go, guys. More place to go. More places to go. Oh, may hotel ba ito, oh? Yes. Para tayo magtanong dyan, no? So, we want to start here? Colombia or there? Where is?
Wala nang itinda.
Saan? Let's go. So, Lionsgate.
Ba't walang nagtitinda?
Titinda naglalako. Okay. I want picture from here. Lionsgate. Yung... Oo. Oo nga.
yan, Superman.
Uh-oh. So ito siya guys sa loob ng Lionsgate. Lionsgate na guys. Yes. Ito siya sa loob ng Lionsgate. Ito yung mga rides niya. Entrance. Ano nakalagay dyan? Ano yan? Wait 15 minutes? Ano daw? Kakasok tayo. Anong meron dyan, guys? Ano meron dito?
Citizens, you are safe as long as you stay true to your nation and president.
Wow! Go inside, guys!
State-of-the-art propulsion system that allows it to reach unprecedented speeds. We'll be able to cross and in what feels like a blink of an eye. Outfitted with tactical heads-up displays, our hovercraft sports diffuse carbon plating and a counter-acoustic propulsion field to repel debris and mitigate hull damage in the event of an emergency. Not that you have anything to worry about. All crew will be under the watchful eye of the captain. All right, I'll see you again shortly.
District 12 citizens, this is your captain speaking. It's nearly time to board your passenger vessel for linkage to the amazing machine county. This marvel of hand-end engineering is faster and more agile than any passenger craft today. It is able to achieve 0-degree corner maneuvers and vertical
Wait for
takeoff.
attendant.
But most impressively, the hovercraft is capable of ultra-velocity travel. The latest example of the capital's unwavering pursuit of efficiency. Speaking of efficiency,
So we're entering... Ano to?
Sa box daw tayo, tapos parang mag-ano tayo sa Pluto.
Okay, doon ka... So, pasok ka sa box.
Stand by for a special pre-recorded message from your district escort.
Hello! I'm Metric, your one and only distance travel vessel. We were on a very special aerial tour of all the districts of planet on our brand new hovercraft. As part of our incredible tour, a fleet of hovercrafts from each of the 12 districts will pay a special visit to the capital, as well as each of the districts to demonstrate how the greatest good of planet is made possible through the contributions from each district. For the first part of the tour, you will have the great honor and privilege of visiting our beautiful capital city. Our President Snow has graciously sanctioned special permits to fly over some of our most iconic and breathtaking landmarks. So exciting. From there, you will have the rare opportunity to follow a whirlwind itinerary across all remaining districts. This remarkable access will show you exactly how each district's individual industrial special
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Go on, move forward for your pre-flight safety instructions and your flight goggles. Oh dear, not
Ano daw gagawin dito?
safety first.
Fly daw tayo. La. Let's go. Yan pala. Kala ko pa-fly na. Yeah. Ano to? So guys, say hi to our camera guys, sa our mga kalalabs. Mega love shout out. Mega love love. So we'll be entering now number 1, cubicle. So we're waiting for the time to open. Oh my god!
People. Disobedient behavior will not be tolerated. Have a safe flight and enjoy.
Ito na guys. Papasok sa atin.
Once your row is seated,
Kuya, is it fine to use camera? Thank you. No flash, only video.
goggles on now.
Goggles on daw.
Keep hands and arms inside the transport vessel and remain seated at all times.
So guys, dito na kami sa loob.
Congratulations. Your tour will begin momentarily. Have a safe flight.
Moving passengers to hovercraft linkage point for launch.
Ito na guys. Start na yung ating adventures.
Navigation is operational.
Oh my god.
Turbine steady. All systems go.
Are you okay guys? Are you okay?
I'm Matthew Trinket. Welcome to your Pan Am aerial tour, sanctioned by our gracious President Snow at the Capitol.
Oh god.
We are ready for ascent in 3, 2, 1.
Hope to note
This is your captain. Prepare for travel to the captain.
the sparkling water always reminds me of my favorite sash.
Oh my god.
Like a DUBAI-3D. Simply gorgeous.
Forces. You may be in danger. It appears your tour is on a flight path that leads right into a trap. But District 13 is here to help. As soon as they divert you off your tour route, we'll be ready to bring you to safety. Attention citizens. Your tour has been terminated. All pilots proceed to the designated checkpoint. Boss, they're on to us.
What's going on?
Protect the portal point. Get out of here now.
Oh my god! na.
District 13, the home of the rebellion.
Oh my God!
Against the tyrannical forces of President Snow.
Galing.
Revolution is about all of us.
So ayan guys, nakalabas na tayo doon. Nakikipaggera pala kami nang hindi namin alam. Hindi kami ready. Papasok tayo sa ibang ano guys. Gusto kami sasakay guys. Hindi ko po pwedeng dalhin yung phone kasi baka daw po siya mabitawan. So phone cannot be, yeah?
Special thanks and mega love shout out to Tina Tidy and Mr. and Mrs. Mary Joy and Daryl Villanueva. Thank you so much guys sa magandang offer at sa pag-sponsor nyo sa amin dyan. Thank you so much.